bit extreme here. That tree goes down. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to try out fishing a big worm. Hey, it's late July evening, and last time I came evening fishing I almost caught a fish on the big worm. Let's see if I can get one today. Alright, so the worm that I'm using is from Bruiser Baits. It is basically a 10-inch ribbon tail worm, Texas rigged on a Hayabusa hook. We're going to drag this around, it's a little windy. See if I can catch something on it. Guys, that's my first fish ever on a big worm. First fish ever on a big worm like this. Look at that, on the Bruiser Baits worm. The big worm, Texas rig. Little pounder, again with that fungus stuff on the tail. Awesome. First fish ever on the big Bruiser Baits 10-inch worm. Bam! Look, a storm is coming in. It's not supposed to be. It's not supposed to be like this. It's like a tornado, man. This is not good. That tree's hitting me. Got him. Tree. There's a fish here. That's a good fish. Boom! Number 2 on the big worm. Bigger fish. Number 2. On the big worm. Yeah. Bam. Bam. Got him. Another nice one. Number three. Number three on the worm. Brained him. That Hayabusa. Number three. Bam! Ready? Ooh! Somebody came and hit it as I was reeling it in. I can't get too close to the water because my phone will fall out. Oh! Damn. Hey, let's go right to the tree, man. Number four. Man, I don't know how I'm gonna get more bruiser baits for my trip here. That's the fourth one. Triple hooked him, man. In the hinge. Number four. Boom, boom, boom. Bam! Number four on the worm. The big worm. That's number five, boys. We got a limit on a big worm in the evening. Go ahead and win. So awesome. Bam! Alright, boys. We are starting to get some confidence with this big worm. The problem is I only have one pack that I bought last year. I'm going to have to find a way to order these super quick because I'm leaving on a big trip in a week and a half. Alright guys, that's going to about do it. Really excited that I caught 5 fish on this giant worm. Again, this is the Bruiser Baits worm. It's called the Knockout 10-inch curly tail. It's from Bruiser Baits. You know, I see a lot of guys on YouTube fishing long worms, but they're, you know, I picked Bruiser Baits because, you know, I see a lot of guys on YouTube fishing long, big worms, and they're using like the Mondo by Guggen Baits, or like I know 6 Cents has a big worm, Strike King's got a big worm, Yum has a big worm, and Zoom. So I like to try baits that no one else really fishes that often, smaller companies. So I picked Bruiser Baits. I did get some Bruiser Baits in the past. They were the Topwater Toad, I think, is one of them. went and got that because it seemed like quality plastics. So that was really cool. Just dragging this, hopping it on the bottom. I had another one hit it. I had one follow as I was pulling it out of the water, following it up. So I'm looking to get some more confidence in this bait and see if this thing can become a steady part of my arsenal. Can't always just use drop shot, Ned rig, and spinner baits, right? Or the popping shads. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment down below about what big worm you like to use and some tips maybe on how to fish a 10-inch worm. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel. I put out a new video every week. Right now we have a special for subscribers. It's 50% off every video if you subscribe today, which means it's free. Okay, Eagle Scout. Bam! That one ripped up the top of my worm. The good thing about using such a giant worm is you can cut off parts of it. You can still have a lot of worm to use. Well, I wore the wrong shorts. I didn't realize I had so much stuff in my pocket.